Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. If you're new here, thank you so much for selecting this video, guys. I am so excited. I have so much information. I feel like it's been so long since I shared a video about spoilers, but finally we have so much to talk about and so much to share. As you know, it's already a new month, September already. I don't know about you guys, but every time I see a new box and it's a new month, I feel like it's gonna be Christmas. Let's see what I'm gonna get. I guess I'm super excited, especially all the items that we keep seeing as possible spoilers from Boxycharm. I am so excited, guys. And as you know, it's already a new month. It's September and we already have a theme, and that theme is Boxy Glam Vibes. Really pretty, and it says all the roads lead to Boxycharm. I think that is so cute. So I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how it looks like. Another thing that I like to share, especially on my Instagram, and I forgot to share it here every time at the beginning of the month. I like to wish a happy birthday for everybody who is celebrating the month of, exactly your birthday on this month, on the month of September. So if this is your birthday month, happy birthday to you. I hope you have a wonderful birthday, an early birthday, since it's the beginning of the month. It's actually my niece, and it was my father's and my sister's birthday, so it is a special month too. So if this is your month, happy birthday to you. And we have so much to talk about. We're going to talk about Boxyluxe. Possibly we may have almost a complete item, what to expect. I feel like we're just missing one sneak peek, so it's almost full, I believe. For the base box, we already have one box reveal, and I'm also going to mention other items to expect for the base box. And also for the premium box, we have 9 items total, so we have almost great sneak peeks to come for the premium box. As you know, in September, if you're subscribed to the base box, that's what you're going to be getting. But if you have upgraded to Boxyluxe, then that is the box you're going to be getting for the month of September. So we have 3 different boxes to talk about. I want to talk about that, and also I want to talk about, guys, October. We already have confirmed. This is not possible. This is already confirmed. 3 sneak peeks that we are going to talk about for the month of October, and this is going to be for the base box. So guys, this box is looking really good even for the month of October, so I want to mention that on this video. And also the choice day started, I want to ask you guys something. I've been playing with every palette that we just get. Every time we get a new palette, that's the only palette that I keep playing with, and then I forget about everything else. But let me know, guys, in the comment section which palette you would like for me to create a whole makeup look for the next video. So the next video, I'm going to be using one of these palettes, so let me know in the comment section which one you think I should use. So we have the Violet Voss Essentials 2. With this one, it's all cool tones, and it's rare for me to use these colors, so that's why I wanted to show it up. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you want me to do an eye makeup look, or if you guys want me to do a makeup look using this palette. I chose this for my premium box months ago, and I didn't want to touch it at all, guys. I have not touched this palette, and it smells so nice. So this is this one, every time I get a chance, I go back to this one because I really like this palette. Fairy Tale Storybook Cosmetics. This one is a little Briar Rose. The next one is, this is a 3502 Second Nature. I feel like this one is welcoming the fall season, and this is the palette 3502 Second Nature. Look for my next video using one of these palettes. So okay, now let's go ahead and get started with the sneak peeks. And the first sneak peek we're going to talk about is the base box. The first choice was between Kate Somerville, which is Exfoliate Kate, or the Pharmacy eye cream from Cherry Acerola. So that was the first choice. So as you know, that was an item that you got to choose from if you remain just with the base box subscription. But then we also have seen these 2 palettes, the Alamar Cosmetics, which is Spanglish, and we also have seen this for the base box, the Hip Dot palette. They're both very similar in the shades, so whichever we get, I think it's a win-win because they are very similar, but they do look like really nice palettes. And every time I see those swatches on both, I am blown away because they look really pretty. Huda Beauty, as you know, the eyeshadow, this one is a duo, and it looks really pretty. I have heard mixed reviews about it. We just have to see it once we get it, or if we get it, if it's going to be a variation. They have different shades too, so the shades will vary, but I'm excited to at least try this brand because we have this brand for Boxycharm for the first time. So I'm excited, and we're getting that in the base box. But there's something that I noticed from TikTok. There was a video and it was showing all these different lipsticks from Huda Beauty. This has not been confirmed, but I'm wondering if we are going to be getting a Huda Beauty lipstick too in the base box. Let's see, but at least we know we are getting an item from Huda Beauty in the base box. We have the Laura Geller. This one is the Lash Boss. This one looks like a great mascara, and it's called Lash Box. So that is expected to come in the base box. We don't know if it's going to be a variation yet. And then we also have the $1 Billion Sponge. Yes, we have seen the $1 Billion brows. We have received that in the past. I love that brand. That's the one I always do my eyebrows, but that one just finished. So it's interesting to see that now they have a sponge, and that is expected to come in the base box, but it could be a variation. Now let's talk about the full box reveal. And if you selected the Kate Somerville, the exfoliate, then this is included in that box. So this is one box so far that we have that is full box reveal. It was showing the Kate Somerville, the Alamar Cosmetic palette, the Spanglish palette, the Huda Beauty eyeshadow, the Laura Geller, the Lash Boss, and the $1 Billion Cosmetics, the sponge. So right here we see a box, and it's looking like a pretty good box, especially for the base box. So I am loving that. So now guys, let's move on now to the two Boxy Luxe. So this will be an upgrade. Remember, if you have upgraded from the base box to Boxy Luxe, then this is the items you want to look out for, because I feel like we have almost a full box. Every time that we get it, it does vary how many items are expected in the box, but we do know that the worth is going to be about $520. So as you know, the first choice was Kate Somerville, the Pharmacy Eye Cream, or the Viral Tomato Serum, and this was a choice item, so hopefully you was able to pick your selection. That was pretty interesting right there from all those three products. Then we had Fenty, so we had the foil or the regular Fenty. They're both highlighters. What varies are the shades. The one that has foil, I believe the shades are more wild, I'll say, like when you take the beauty quiz, it says wild card. That's what they seem that, while the other one seems more like the shades you would normally find for a highlighter, but some of these are a duo. So I'm glad that we are all going to be getting a Fenty item in our box. Then we have another variation, which this was really interesting. One of them is the 3 Skin, and this is a 5-piece mask. It's very expensive, and I shared on my other video how I watch a professional makeup artist or a celebrity makeup artist, and this is one of the masks that she used on her celebrity clients, especially when they're going to be in the red carpet or take pictures. She likes to use this mask before applying any makeup, so that is interesting. So that it looks like a great product. Or you might be getting a travel, the 12-piece from Pure Cosmetics. This is a nice 12-piece set of brushes. This is why I love Boxycharm, because when I started, I did not have the best brushes, especially to make my eye makeup look, or even for my face. And through Boxycharm, I have been able to grow my collection. And this is another way, because this one is a travel. It brings 12-piece, and it also comes with a container, which I love. And they're also uniform and the same color. Then we have sneak peek number 5, which is that huge variation that we had. That was our second choice, and those were 7 items. And from there we had Tan Luxe Lotion for the body. We have Skin Camp, those are eye masks, and that set brings 5. We also have Osei Serum. We have Milk Makeup. We have 2 items from Milk Makeup. We had one that was an overnight melatonin serum, and then we had the matcha face mask. And then from Gravity, which that's that weighted mask that you use to go to bed. So, and that was a very expensive product too, so that was one of a choice. And the last one was from Frank, which is that coffee body scrub, and that was one of the choice items. So but this is not confirmed. This is mentioned by certain people that it might be coming to Boxyluxe, and this is the Persona lip or the brush. I'm not sure, they're both are going to be coming to the box, or one of them, or if it's going to be a variation, but at least we know this is a new brand that is coming to Boxycharm. And those lipsticks, they look so cute. If we are expected to receive maybe 7 items from Boxyluxe, here we have 6 sneak peeks. So this is almost a complete box, and it's looking pretty good from Boxyluxe. Now let's move on to the premium box, which I am so excited because once again we have some new brands coming. Marc Jacobs, which I am so excited that we're getting Marc Jacobs products in the premium box. And one of those was, we had a choice, which it was hard to pick a product from Ulla Henriksen to try Marc Jacobs. Marc Jacobs is one of those brands that is a luxury, high-end, and seeing that is coming to premium to Boxycharm, I was so tempted to see which one I will get. And as you know, one of those choice items was the Marc Jacobs Youthquake. This is a Hydra Full Retexturing Gel Cream, and I have been using this moisturizer. At first I was a little scared because I have oily and sensitive skin, and even though this has the pineapple as the enzymes, it doesn't have a strong scent at all. At least for me, it's not a strong scent. It feels really nice on the skin, and what I like about this, that you can apply it on your skin and it's gonna help because it has a little bit of products in their ingredients to help exfoliate. It's not gonna be harsh, but really soft, to make sure that you have a clean canvas before you apply your makeup. So I really love this. I have not seen any negative reaction, which sometimes I do because I have sensitive skin and my skin does not get oily, and I think this is really a keeper. So I'm glad I got to try this from Boxycharm. So this was the item that I actually selected, so I was happy to see it, and I'm wowed with that product. Another choice item was from Marc Jacobs, and this one is the highlighter, the Dew Drops, or Dew You, the Dew Drops, and this shade is called Tantalize, and it's really pretty. What I love about this highlighter is that you could use this with your primer, you could apply it with your foundation, you could just put it as a highlighter, and it gives it like a natural glow. So it's not glittery or anything like that, so just keep it, make sure that it does have like a natural feel, natural look. Oh my god, I am not glad that I wasted so much, but here, look at that. That is so pretty, and it smells really nice. So this was another choice item from Premium, and I'm so excited. Might be a variation, Enamor Lip Lacquer Gloss, and this shade is Allow Me. This is so pretty, and it does last a long time. So into the box from Marc Jacobs is this eyeliner, waterproof. Let me tell you, this thing is waterproof. I swatched it, I tried it on my hand, I took a bath, I applied my balm and everything, and it did not come off for a few days. Expected to come in the box as well from Marc Jacobs. So I'm excited to see so many items from Marc Jacobs for the premium box. But we have other sneak peek, guys. We have the Eloise makeup palette, her palette. Everybody's going to be getting this palette in the premium box, which I am so excited. But if you are like me, that sometimes you're subscribed with 2 different boxes and you've seen the same palette on both boxes, they're going to be doing the same thing as they did with this one. Remember, back in December, if you had a premium then and you had Boxyluxe, then they will make sure that you received it in one box, and on the other box you was going to be getting the other palette. So the same thing is mentioned here. So if you have both in the same account, keep in mind that you will be getting Eloise in the premium box, and then in the Boxyluxe you should be getting the Hip Dot, which both of them are really pretty. So I'm excited for. That's a great way to get both palettes. And then we have Stila eyeliner. This eyeliner is waterproof, but it's smudge free. They were swatching it today on a live video, and I wanted to record it. I forgot to record it, so I couldn't get the swatches, but they have so many shades and they look really good. Another thing that they showed us today on that live video was from Milk Makeup. There's two products from Milk Makeup, once again for the premium box, and this one is a highlighter. She applied that highlighter. I'm loving the consistency from the Milk Makeup, at least the packaging, and this was almost the same way, like a roll on there. And she applied the highlighter and it also looked really pretty on the skin, and she even had like bumps there and it didn't show. So I'm loving that we're getting more Milk Makeup products. Another product that they shown was Kush Lip Scrub, and this is a lip item from Milk Makeup, and that's something expected for the premium box. Or on this section I'm going to be putting the dates, that way you guys could take a picture if you would like, that way you remember and mark your calendars for all those dates, for the choice dates that is coming up in September. That will be, I believe, next week. And also the add-on store for early access. Let's go ahead and talk about October base box. We already have 3 spoilers, so I want to mention to you. Spoiler, guys, is Dose of Color, the concealer. This is a concealer, it has so many great shades and it has so many great benefits too, so I'm excited to see that that's coming to the box. One thing that I'm going to do, I remember I selected the concealer for Too Faced, as you know, that was a choice item previously, and they allowed us to pick our choice, so I love that we were able to pick it. But I think, see, my shade was there, and luckily the next one next to it was the perfect one. That's a concealer I use now and I love it. One thing I'm going to do is, if I can, I'm going to try to go to Sephora and check what's my best shade for the Dose of Color, so to pick our color, then I will know exactly, I will be prepared. Sneak peek, guys, that I want to talk about is Tarte Mist. This mist has an interesting shade, but yet it's because of the ingredients that this mist have. It's a maracuya oil, which helps deliver firmer, brighter, smoother looking skin. It also has rose flower water, which is going to help maintain your pH balance, which is perfect. And then also cucumber fruit water, that's going to help soothe and help maintain a healthy complexion, and papaya extract. Have the other product, the other third sneak peek, guys, that I want to mention, palette. This brand is coming to Boxycharm, and this is Beauty Bakery. The palette is called Breakfast in Bed, and the colors are perfect for every day, for on the go. This is something that I will keep on my car. So I truly appreciate you guys watching this video. Hope you guys are so excited for what's coming for September, and already what we know what's coming for the month of October. So thank you guys for watching this video. Guys, let me know in the comment section which palette you guys want me to use for me to create a makeup look on my next video, so I could use a new palette. Let me know in the comment section. So which of these are you most excited about? I don't know which one, because there's so many great products coming. So let's see, guys. So thank you guys for watching this video. Until the next video, bye.